Alright, now in this video, I'm going to tell you if you want to practice your English and you don't have anyone around you, how to do that. Okay, very simple. We are going to learn how to practice our English. You can do one thing, just dial the helpline of your mobile company and don't tell them that you want to learn English, that's why you called. Just ask them some questions, also speak and all that, right? So let's see. I'm just going to make this call.
को बेहतर खिदमत फराहम करने के लिए आपकी कॉल रिकॉर्ड की जाएगी। वालेकुम सलाम, बात कर रही फरमाइए।
This is Asad Yaqub. I want to know something about packages of Zong 4G.
Zong 4G डिवाइस के पैकेजेस चाहिए आपको?
I can only speak English. Will you please speak English with me? Yeah.
Yes, why not?
So I just want to know about the packages. Yeah.
Sorry?
I want to know about Zong 4G packages like weekly package or if there is any fortnight package or monthly package. Please tell me about that.
There is only monthly package which you can activate on your MBB device.
Okay, can you tell me about that?
There is no weekly or 15 days package, only monthly package.
Okay, so can you give me the details of that package? Yeah.
Yes, why not? Minimum package is 2000. Minimum package which you can activate in 2000 rupees, and you get data 65 GB data.
No, but I mean 2065. Don't you think it's quite less? The other companies are offering far more.
According to Zong company, that is a minimum package. That is our minimum package.
Okay, so what is the maximum? Because I have to download and upload data, and I need the maximum package.
Maximum is 200 GB.
200.
Maximum is 200 GB, which you can get in 150 rupees.
Okay, so would I need to use a separate device for that, or can I activate this package on my mobile SIM as well?
No, you can only activate this package on your device.
Okay, but actually it will be difficult for me to carry the device. I want to buy a Zong SIM and then on that SIM I want to get this package activated. Isn't it possible?
No, is it not possible?
Can you tell me?
Only activate on MBB device number.
Okay, can you tell me any other packages which are for mobile data?
Mobile data. So first you have to tell your number.
Okay, I mean I do have two numbers because now I'm calling you from my Mobilink number, but I'm.
Please kindly speak slow.
Okay.
Please kindly speak slow.
Okay, actually right now I am calling you from my Mobilink number, but I'm planning to shift this number to Zong, and I just want to see the suitability of Zong for me.
Okay.
So, please tell me.
We also have prepaid internet package, monthly premium 40 GB.
Okay.
Which you can get.
Good. How much is that?
In 900 recharge, which you can get in 900.
Okay, that will be fine. Do you have any postpaid packages for internet?
Wait, please. Our postpaid bundle, which you can get only with three data tariff only.
Okay.
That is 20 GB.
20 GB. No, that's
Maximum bundle is
quite.
20 GB.
My monthly usage is around 500 GBs. So I'm looking for something
There
like
is no
volume.
package. There is no package in 500 GB.
But
Our maximum prepaid bundle is 40 GB and maximum postpaid bundle is 20 GB.
Okay, all
and
right.
maximum device package is 200 GB.
Okay,
We don't
okay.
have 500 GB.
No, but in the past you used to offer unlimited package, unlimited internet, but now you don't do that?
No, sir. Current updates is 200 GB.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for your help, madam.
Welcome.
Thank you.
you so much. Thank you for calling Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. We put the lady in trouble. Okay, yeah, so this call will not cost you too much, and this is how you can practice your English. But the key is talk to them, engage them in their packages and all that. Don't tell them I get up early in the morning or anything like that. Okay, so this is absolutely free way to practice your English whenever you want to, and sometimes even you can record the call and it can be even better, right? Thank you.